Honestly, tell me how you feel. How do you feel coming this far? This week, we'll be talking about getting our 4K watch hours, how to hit 4,000 watch hours like a pro. Like a pro. Here we are. Now, one of the biggest challenges a lot of YouTubers face is getting that 4,000 watch hours, watch time hour, or however you want to put it. Reaching that 4,000 watch hour is a big challenge, and trust me, it's a big landmark if you do. So it is a big deal, yeah, especially for beginners. But today I will show you how to hack watch time ethically and efficiently. What counts as watch hours or watch time? People might think, oh, it's the number of views that somebody has. When somebody has 4,000 views, then they have 4,000 watch hours. Lori Raw, that's a big lie. Watch time is how long people stay on your videos. If you make a 10 minutes video, how long do people stay on that video? That is what's going to give you your watch time. It matters a lot more than the views. Imagine making a video that is 15 minutes long and people are only watching for 1 minute, and making the same video 15 minutes long and people are staying up to 10 to 15 minutes of that video. Who is going to get more watch time? The person whose video people are staying up to 10 to 15 minutes is going to get more watch time. But the person who people are watching 1 minute might get more views, but that does not translate to watch hours. So that's the main metric for getting monetized on YouTube. I'll give you an example of video types that can keep people glued on your channel and will also help your watch time to increase. One of those video types are step-by-step tutorials. I can't overemphasize this, but you see step-by-step tutorials on how to do certain things. For example, how to do this, how to decorate your house in 5 minutes, how to blah blah blah. Step by step. People are telling you step by step. That's those kind of videos get you a lot of views. So look at your niche properly and start thinking of how to create content that will give you watch time hours. Now, videos like a day in my life as a this, as a that, a day in my life as a 24-year-old making 1 million, a day in my life as a 25-year-old making millions. People are interested in those kind of videos because they also want to make millions. So they'll stick to it and watch it till the end. Challenge videos, 30-day challenge to becoming rich, blah, blah, blah. People like it. Another videos people like are question and answer videos or reaction videos. Personal transformation stories are also another angle that you might want to look into. People like to see your journey, they like to follow your journey. Personal transformation, how I transform from being a sorry, how I transform from being single to being married in 1 week. People want to watch it. So make longer videos like 7 to 15 minutes and see how far you would go, and also ensure to use playlists to increase sessions. You know, use playlists to increase your session time. Like you could have a playlist of lifestyle videos, playlist of a day in my life videos, playlist of tutorial videos, playlist of these videos, reaction videos, so that when somebody is finishing, once I'm done watching this particular one, the next one is coming up and I'll see it. Also ensure to group your videos into topics. Don't forget to add end screens to lead to the next video. I will show you how to add end screen because I'll be adding an end screen to this video. In fact, most of my videos, I do add end screens. End screen will lead someone to the next video or even your channel itself. In case the person is not a subscriber, the person will be able to see other videos that you have. And also ensure to link related videos in descriptions and pinned comments. Be the first to comment in your own videos. Try, because I'm guilty. But try not to be like me. Comment on your own videos. Ensure to add a hook in the introduction of your video. I said a hook is your first 5 seconds. So your first 5 seconds of your video could be like this: how I transform my life in the next blah blah blah. Watch this video till the end. Because if the person does not watch till the end, the person is not going to see the particular information that you're talking about. So always ensure to add your hook. Ensure to give your videos hook. Let people want to watch your video till the end. Next thing to do is to tease your next video in your current video. An example of that is to tell people what they should expect in the next video in your current video. Like in this video, I might tell you in your next video, I'm going to teach you this or that. So that way they want to watch the next video and also link that video in the video. So for basically you don't need millions of views. You just need loyal viewers who would watch your video till the end. If you apply these tips, your watch time will start stacking up fast. And before the end of 90 days, you're going to see the magic. You are going to see the magic. I'm telling you for free. If you do all of these things, if I had known how to do all of these things before, honestly, my channel would have been like, see, what are we saying? What are we saying? But I just started doing all of these things recently. My thumbnail, adding all these things, linking, it was recent. And I will tell you for free, if you start it early enough, you would see the changes in your YouTube channel. So, guys, this is the end of today's class. I hope that by now you are confident enough to understand that getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers is not magic. It's something that is achievable. Practice what you have learned. I will give you an action task that I'll post in the Telegram group. Ensure you carry them out and repost in that same group that it's that I will share with you, and let us see your progress so far. Thank you for watching this video. In our next class, that's week 9, we're going to talk about other things that you don't want to miss. You don't want to miss any of them, because those things will also help your journey in getting 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the next 90 days. We're hitting it in 90 days. There's no going back. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.
So here's a typical example of what I'm talking about. I'm going to be adding end screens, related videos and all in this particular video, and I'll be showing you. So here's my YouTube dashboard. As you can see, these are videos that I've posted. I'll just go to my channel content and select video, the video that I want to add all those things to. I've published some videos, but I put them on private because I scheduled them for later. So I'll just go ahead and do all the necessary things. Then I'll just go straight to adding my end screen. Okay, I'm just trying to turn on monetization. For every video, you have to turn it on individually, because some videos you might not want to monetize them. So you have to tell YouTube whether you want this one monetized or not. So I went ahead to turn that on, and then I'll just click on the video. So once you click on the video, you just tap on just tap on the particular video you want to work on. Once you tap on it, you're going to see your end screen just by your right hand side. It's going to ask you to add end screen, to add subtitle, substitute video, like your cards, that's other related videos that you want to add, and you are eligible to add 5 of it, 5 links to other videos. You can also add a playlist if you want to. So I have added 5, and I'll just go ahead and save it. That's all you need to do. And once you publish this video, you're going to see the other videos that you've added. As someone is watching the particular video, he or she will be able to see other videos popping up if they want to watch those videos, if the topics are interesting to them. So that's how you can also increase your watch time hours.